Let's register a business in Texas.
You know the drill. We Googled register a business in Texas, and I first want to show you this resource of start a business in Texas. So let's click on that. This article is going to have some basic steps to starting a business. It's even got some videos for business plans, choosing a location, financing, tax responsibility. I mean, it's just packed full of information, so make sure you check this out. But let's go back to the original search. So if you scroll down a little bit further on this page, we're going to click on the Secretary of State website, selecting a business structure. Here it's going to break down the different business structures and the requirements for them. Something to note about Texas is that depending on what business structure you choose, for example, like a sole proprietorship, you are actually going to be registering with the county clerk. Is only going to apply if you're doing business under a different name than your own. So if you're not operating just under your own name, like for example, we operate under TPP Business Solutions, then that's when you're going to have to file this DBA with the county clerk. But if you're just operating under your own name, no requirements for you. If you have an LLC or a corporation, then you are going to need to file with the Secretary of State, and I'll show you where to get that link. You'll scroll all the way down to the bottom of the article and click on SOS Direct Business Filings. Click here on Enter Site, and you will be prompted to make your account, and then you will go in and register your business here.
What state should I do next? Drop it in the comments.